In this video, we're going to look into the best Copilot agents. AI copilots are everywhere right now, so it helps us like code faster, write smarter, and get more things done in a very less time. So with all the options out there, so which one is actually best for you? So we'll just look into a couple of best Copilot agents in this video. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with these. So what is a Copilot agent exactly? Actually, it's like an intelligent assistant but that's built to help you like complete tasks faster and better, whether like a task like whether you're coding or writing an email or creating a presentation or researching, doing some writing work. So whatever it is, there's probably a copilot or an AI assistant that can help you. Okay, and the best part is that these agents are getting smarter, so it's like agents can now actually understand your preference, remember your past task, and even automate the entire workflow, which is really pretty good. So let's look into some of the best Copilot agents. So we're going to start off with this one, which is the GitHub Copilot. So this is the GitHub Copilot. Okay, so if you are like a developer, and GitHub Copilot is probably already in your toolbox, you might have been already using it. Okay, it simply integrates directly into your code editor and helps you write the code, generate functions, and even write unit tests. Okay, it's very fast, accurate, and trained on tons of open source code. So this is actually for developers. This is like a go-to tool for developers. The next we're going to look into is ChatGPT. Okay, yes, ChatGPT is pretty much popular, so I'm pretty sure everyone would have heard about ChatGPT. It's actually the arguably the best and most versatile copilot. Like you can use it to write emails. So if this is the ChatGPT website here, so if you're logged in, you can simply ask anything into here, type any prompt, like you can like use it to write emails, generate code, brainstorm business ideas, and even analyze data. So you can do anything, and you can even add your voice. So you can give voice prompts, not only just typing. You can give voice prompts here. You have the option to send voice prompts, and you can attach photos. It can like the input models, you can input images, documents, and you can ask any questions regarding it or based on the images or the documents and everything. So it is actually like, its features like the custom GPTs and the persistent memory. It remembers your stuff, the voice chat here, and the API access, everything. It's all basically actually it's basically a Swiss Army knife for productivity. So it has everything and helps you with everything, which is really good for you. Okay, and then next we're going to look into is these Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so if you live in the Microsoft ecosystem and you mostly work with Microsoft's tool, then this is your best AI for you. Okay, it's embedded right inside the Office apps like Word, Excel, Teams. So you can simply like write documents, analyze spreadsheets, summarize meetings with just a few prompts. It's mostly like integrated within the Microsoft's platform, and it's integrated within their Microsoft apps and everything. So if you are a user of Microsoft, then this will be the best agent for you. Okay, and then the next one we're going to look into is this Google Gemini. Okay, so this is Google Gemini. As you can see, it looks pretty much similar to the ChatGPT as well. Even the interface looks pretty much similar. You can simply type in here anything that you want to do or want to get it done. You can simply type in these, and also it also like supports voice notes here, where you can input voice notes. And also you have this option here where you can add like photos or any files, and then it can also, similar to ChatGPT, it can actually, the input model can be in any form, not just text, and it can work around for you like whatever you want to do. It will get it done. So Gemini is actually Google's answer to ChatGPT, like integrated with Gmail, Docs, and even Google search. Okay, it's great for like research heavy tasks and anything that's in particularly involving Google search. So if you're using if you are more fond of using Google search, then this will be the best AI agent for you. Plus it's fast, context away, and also available on mobile. So you also have the apps version like ChatGPT. Even the app is also available, so you can just try that. So these are the so that's Google Gemini for you, which is also one of the handy and the best agent, especially if you are working within Google Suites. And the next one we're going to look into, probably the last one we're going to look into, is the cloud cloud AI. Here it's actually developed by Anthropic. Okay, it's actually, this is the official website here, and that's the interface here. It looks similar to like previous ones like ChatGPTs and Gemini as well. So here you can just type it anything, like whatever you need help with. On top of that, you have these different sections here, whether you need help with writing, so you can just write, maybe brainstorm ideas, develop anything to do help with writing, you can click on it. If you want to create anything, you can click on create and click create any items, like logos, like boards, anything like, and also coding. So if you want to make any course, design a software, write a code, like create an app, so many things you can do that. And they have more stuff here like learning items, where you can like browse stuff and everything. And also you can attach like files here, like photos and all other files here, which you can simply attach it, and you can use that for reference and get help with it and everything. So it's actually a quiet genius. Okay, it shines in long form writing, that's their speciality. Okay, and with legal analyses and also safety focused responses. So they are much more specialized in these terms. And also with a super long context window, it can handle massive document or multi-step reasonings with ease. So that's the advantage of these, the highlights of this cloud AI when compared to the other agents. So you can just try that. So that's you can use it to create a lot of various things that you can use it to do with. So which one you should choose, or which one you, in which case do you choose which? So I would suggest you, depending on these scenarios. Okay, if you're a developer, then GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT with code interpreter will be useful for you. Or if you're looking for business or office works, then Microsoft Copilot wins with the native Excel and Word support integrations, like especially within Microsoft ecosystem. Okay, but if you are working in the Google's ecosystem, okay, then Gemini is a natural fit. It's because of, then cloud will be an ideal option for you in that case. So yeah, depending on what you're doing with. So if you're working in long documents, then cloud will be an ideal option for you. And or else you can also use chat gpt when you're working with any writing or research work and all those things. Okay, and you can also use, if you are looking to like build your own AI tools, let's say you are trying to build your own AI tools, then ChatGPT again with the custom GPTs or API will be the ideal one for you to do that as well. So you can use ChatGPT in that case too. Okay, so at the end of the day, it's actually the best Copilot agent is the one that fits your workflow, whether you are coding, creating, or just trying to get through your to-do list. There is an agent out there that can help you in any instance. So it's mostly all depends on what you're after and what you want to do with it. And that's basically pretty much it is. I hope this information and video was helpful.